In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the information that you enter into FogBugz. Search in FogBugz is very simple since it doesn't require you to learn or memorize any special syntax. Simply start typing into the search box and FogBugz will autocomplete the term for you. For example, let's say I want to search for a case that I opened today. I'll start by typing O, and immediately I see that there are a few search terms that apply. It was opened by me, so I'll click on that one, and then I'll tab and enter to complete. But I also want to find something I know I was just working on, so I'm going to start by typing O, and now click on the term opened to see what options it gives me. Here I see open today, so I'll choose that one. If you'd like to familiarize yourself with the search term options, you can just click the chevron in the right-hand side of the search bar and you'll see all of the terms listed. FogBugz will also remember recent search strings and will offer you the option to autocomplete those when what you type matches a previous search. Now, what if I want to save this search so that I can find this information later? In FogBugz, this is called creating a filter. Let's try doing that for my inbox project so I can see all of the inbound emails that have yet to be assigned to members of my team. First, I'll set up a search for the project inbox. Status, active, and assigned to up for grabs. I'm going to click on save and then type a name for this filter. If I hover over the filter menu, you'll see that the filter now appears under My Filters. To share it with other people in my company, I simply drag it into Shared Filters. Filters are a great way to manage your day-to-day work. One of my most useful filters is the default My Cases filter, which shows me all open cases that are assigned to me. But there's also another way to stay up to date on case changes that are relevant to me, and that's through in-app notifications. In-app notifications can be viewed by clicking on the bell icon in the upper left-hand corner. Every time you receive a new notification, it will automatically register here by the number ticking upwards. By clicking See All, I can see a complete activity feed of cases that have either been assigned to me or cases on which I've been notified. I can also unclick these options to distill the information I'm looking for. Assigned means that I'm the user responsible for completing a case. Notified means that a colleague wanted me to see a particular edit on a case, even though it's not assigned to me. And subscribed indicates cases that I've subscribed to in order to see any changes that are made to them. Lastly, you can also receive these notifications by email. When you start your trial, the default setting is to receive a separate email every time you are assigned or notified on a case. To change this, go to your admin menu in the bottom left-hand corner and click on User Options. From there, scroll down and select the option for Instant Notification, Periodic, which bundles updates to send you one email every 3 hours or never. Since I spend so much of my time in FogBugz, I have the never option selected. But if someone on your team has a role that only requires them to check FogBugz from time to time, then one of the other email notification options would be best for them. And that concludes our tutorial on search in FogBugz.